Hello YouTube, my name is BB and today's video has been brought to you by BB. In today's news, life is life. Buses are buses. Roads are roads. Rain is rain. I don't really have a lot going on right now, so I'm just saying the same thing over and over and over again. The sky is sky and overcast with rain clouds very low. We have a lot of rain. It's wet, it's misting, it's raining, it's drizzling, it's spitting. Rain, 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 and windy, and gusty, and rain, 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 rain. Like I said, I don't have a lot going on. I did wrap some Christmas presents last night for my husband. They are under our Christmas tree. So, yeah. And that's it. That's all I have today. Rain, 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 wind, gust, spitting, drizzle, rain, rain, wetness, rain, cold, 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 rain, overcast, clouds, rain. That's today's video, and it's been brought to you by BB. Have a good day. Bye-bye.